Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the double catch in insect catching hobby in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Now I'm participating in the script supervisor B event by Naniwa, and I'm going to equip my net. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys the tips to do the double catch. Basically, if you want to do double catch, you need to see two insects in a line, and then you need to tap and hold on the net. Wait, I'm still looking for two insects so I can do double catch. Double catch mean catching two insects at once. Wait, I'm still trying to find the target. Okay, I see two insects in a line, in one line, and let's do that. Okay, it's done. I've just double catched the insects. So guys, you can click on your net, tap and hold on it, and you can immediately catch two insects at once. It will be very helpful to complete your personal goals and also your team goals. We need to catch the insects as fast as possible. So you can practice this trick, guys. Find your target and direct the net at the target insect and then tap and hold on it. Okay guys, and that's how you can do double catch in the insect catching of Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!